manahirana matetika ny fandefasam-bola. Satria ilainao ny mandefa vola amin'ny fomba tsotra sy aingana dia omena ianao vahaolana miaraka amin'ny Orange Money. Ankehitriny mandefasa vola amin'ny findainao manerana amin'ny Madagasikara amin'ny fotoana rehetra ilanao izany. Rehefa handefa fahana amin'ny Orange Money dia tsindrio ny dièse 144 dièse dia antsoy. Le transfert d'argent change avec Orange, la vie change avec Orange.
Ankafaliana reto place Togovavy miarana aminao ato anatin'ny fandarany Madasport TV ato anatin'ny site www.madasport.com no misy an'izay efa atsika hoe nandrojisy zay dia nisy ny fikasana hoe aloha tsika fandarana ihany koa ato anatin'ny site mba ahafahantsika mpakafy fanatanjahantena rehetra mandray an'izay vaovao manodidina ny fanatanjahantena zay ato anatin'ny sport madamo dia omenantsika avokoa aloha ireo vaovao rehetra izay songadina teo amin'ny sehatra iraisam-pirenena izany teo ny vaovao avy any amin'ny NBA teo amin'ny vaovao manodidina ny baolina kitra
Game number 2 of the Western Conference Finals. The Spurs took game 1. Now Oklahoma City looking to even up the series. Manu Ginobili really had a solid game 1. He would come off the bench and make an impact here in game 2. First, it's Kawhi Leonard coming in for the slam, and the Spurs raced out to a 10-2 advantage. Back to Parker, this time keeping it himself, knocks down the jumper, a 10-point first quarter advantage. Later in the first, Kawhi Leonard loses his shoe, and Kevin Durant blows by him. Check it out again as Durant makes the rookie pay. Westbrook notices it, Durant gets it, and then goes baseline for the deuce. On to the second quarter we go, where it's Oklahoma City's James Harden, the sixth man of the year, knocks down the jumper, and we've got ourselves a game. Thunder within 6. Now Tony Parker over to Steven Jackson, and Jackson hesitates, the high arcing three, that falls. 42-29 Spurs. More from San Antonio. Tony Parker drives, spins off of Kendrick Perkins. Oh, what a move by Parker. Had a real strong first game, came out of the gate fast in the first half. Manu Ginobili to Tim Duncan, one-handed slam. Big-time jam by the veteran. In the first half, Tony Parker had 17 as the Spurs led in the third quarter. This is Danny Green. And the role players stepping up. Leonard, now Green. Here's Manu Ginobili. Behind the back, getting fancy, wide open, Tony Parker, nobody comes out to get him. Later in the third, it's more of San Antonio. But here, Duncan loses it, and Kevin Durant makes him pay in traffic, the finger roll, 80-64. Thunder trailed by as many as 22, making a game of it here in the fourth. Serge Ibaka over to James Harden for the hoop and the opportunity for one more. 95-86, Thunder hanging around. Manu Ginobili, one-on-one on Harden, gets into the paint, one-handed shot, gets the friendly roll at home. But the Thunder not done yet. Trailing by 10, Russell Westbrook from downtown, 103-96. But the Spurs would put an end to the Thunder's run. Here is Tony Parker, just a spectacular game 2, leading San Antonio to another W, their 20th in a row. And the Spurs take a commanding 2-0 advantage in this best-of-7 series. Game 3 shifts to Oklahoma City Thursday on TNT.
dia izy indray aloha no masaka azy natolotranao androany tato anatin'ny fandaharany sport madandroany nomenanao avokoa ireo vaovao rehetra izay nisogadina teo amin'ny fanatanjahantena iraisam-pirenena manimisananao manaraka andray maratena daholo.
transférer de l'argent n'est pas une partie de plaisir. Parce que vous avez besoin d'envoyer de l'argent plus simplement, nous avons créé Orange Money, la solution pour faciliter votre quotidien. Maintenant, transférez de l'argent partout à Madagascar, quand vous voulez, depuis votre mobile. Pour transférer de l'argent avec Orange Money, composez le dièse 144 dièse, puis appelez. Le transfert d'argent change avec Orange, la vie change avec Orange.